Hey, what's happening? Paul Ingram here, Kali Center. Welcome back to our staff spinning series that we have here on the YouTube channel. We're gonna be taking a look at staff spin number 5 today, which is the behind the back spin. This is one of the variations that we teach here at Kali Center on behind the back spin. So the only thing you're gonna need is your staff. If you have missed the previous 4 spins, I have the link right up in one of these corners, and that'll take you over to the playlist, so that way you can get to spin technique number 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're on number 5. Make sure that you have a staff that you can use for your spinning techniques. If you do not already have one and you need to get one, make sure to check ours out over at our store, which you can get access to at KaliCenter.com. Got the links down below. Let's get into the instruction on staff spin number 5. So on the number 5 spin, this is our behind the back. And we have a couple different variations of going behind the back or behind the back switch spin, but this is our vertical switch. So from here, I want you to take a nice, just kind of athletic stance, knees are bent, solid on the balance. You're not leaning forward too much and you're not leaning back too much. From here, we're going to get our spin, our front spin going, which was taught in the previous staff spinning lessons. From here, we're going to dive the right hand all the way around, and we're going to catch with the left behind our back. I'll show you the back view here in just a couple seconds. Then we're going to come up to our upward spin, and that's going to bring us right back into the front. Now, we can go ahead and cycle through this front spin a couple times, and then dive right on into the back spin, or we can just keep moving this, cycling through, repping out our back spin or behind the back, spin number 5. Okay, right there. Let me show you from the back here so you can see what's going on. Again, get into that solid stance and make sure you're balanced. Once we have that momentum on the staff going with our front spin, then we're going to dive this all the way around until my right thumb is facing up. Notice that my left back of my left hand is at the small of my back. So as soon as I am diving in, my right hand, just like this, my left hand is placed at the small of my back. It should already be there. Then I'm going to meet my right hand pinky and my left hand thumb, and I'm going to grab with my left hand and let go with my right hand. Come into my upward figure 8 spin, just one rotation, and then we switch it right in front of our chest. So we just go ahead and rotate, repeating the process all the way around. Okay? Again, that little tip, make sure that your left hand is already at the small of your back, ready to catch. Then, once my left hand has it, I'm going to bring my right hand over to my plexus, ready to catch, just like we did behind us, but our hands are opposite. Now my left hand is on top and my right hand is on the bottom. All right, so once we have this going, start slow, and then you can always work on generating your speed. That completes our staff spinning technique number 5, our behind the back spin. This is our vertical behind the back spin. Again, make sure that you have all the previous spins down first, because you need all of those to build this technique. Remember, the staff spins, this isn't all about functional fighting. In fact, the Kali Center channel is not all about functional fighting. We're having fun. We're building coordination. We're building sensitivity on the staff. And again, like I said, most importantly, we're having fun. Go learn this one, go master it, and I'll see you guys back here in our next video. And make sure to go check out that playlist on all of our staff spinning techniques. I'll see you guys next time.